Mr. Srinidhi Ranganathan is a technologist, digital marketing coach, author, and video creation specialist with over 7 years of experience and has worked at top companies in India. He has facilitated digital marketing analysis and provided state-of-the-art marketing strategy ideas and tactical execution plan for top marketing companies in India, including startups, SMBs, and MNCs. This includes strategic brainstorming session, market analysis, market research related to digital performance, support of various marketing initiatives for new product and consumer promotional launches, etc. Srinidhi gained his popularity through his unique, practical, yet engaging training methodologies he utilizes to teach during the training session. Some of his training methods include gamified learning, experience that prompt behavioral changes in students. Everyone call him as the king of digital marketing, and he is all set to create history in his.
Thank you. So we're all set to, begin this with a booming session on growth hacking. So let me start off by saying that growth hacking techniques and tools and methodologies are, going to change the facet of digital marketing because using growth hacking methods, you'll be able to, scale any startup. For example, you're growing at 20%, right? You're able to, scale it up to 90% also. So typically how this works is, let me start off with a little tools and technologies which are going to be state of the art, tools and technologies here. Before that, I'll have to talk a little bit about myself. I'm Srinidhi Ranganathan, founder of India's first artificial intelligence digital marketing company, which is called as FirstLook Digital Marketing Solutions. Our websites are created in less than 30 seconds. We create games like Call of Duty in less than a day. We're able to create apps like Ola, Grofers, Swiggy kind of apps in, I think, less than 2 hours. We're able to do it through AI tools and methodologies. So we're able to create software with just drag and drop, similar to how Weebly or Wix does. So we're able to create software using AI tools and AI techniques, which is the state of the art techniques. Let me begin with a little bit of how a website can be created in less than 30 seconds or less. I'll just show you a sample of how what tools we use, and then there are a hell lot of things, because digital marketing is an ocean, and all these SEO, say search engine optimization, there may be lead gen, there may be email marketing, there's affiliate marketing, there is say content marketing. All these are kind of islands, which I call it, and once you're lost into the ocean, there is no looking back. Let's start off with a small tool which is called as bookmark.com. bookmark.com. Let me show you live how a website is created in less than 30 seconds or less, and this is going to change the world. Let me log in now. Just give me a minute. Let me log in. So I'm showing you live stuff here. There is no PPT presentations over here. There is nothing that is theory based. Everything is practical to the core. Let's create a website in less than 30 seconds right now on the spot. Coming up, create a website. Welcome to artificial intelligence design assistant called IDA. Let's create a website in 30 seconds or less. Are you ready, guys? Let's start off. Okay, what type of website are you creating? Maybe I want kind of a site that is focused on business. So let me say business consultants, fine. Business website also fine. Okay, maybe I want a business website. Cool. Let me go to the next one. Okay, what is the name of the best business website? I would say FirstLook AI. I'll go to the next one. Yes, I don't want an e-commerce site right now, but if I can do it. So no next. Okay, FirstLook, this is my business, that's not my business, no next. FirstLook, okay, I can give my phone number if I want, so I can do like 000, whatever it is, and then I can give my email, whatever it is, 1234, whatever it is, at gmail.com something, and I can give a address, something, and then I can give a city, okay, country as India, and create a website. That's it. The website, the design, the layouting, the graphics will be done automatically using artificial intelligence technologies. This is going to change the world, guys. So let me show you this. This is just an ABC tool of artificial intelligence. Now you can, okay, let's see how IDA does it right now. So sit back and relax. Your website will be ready in 30 seconds. Start it. Okay, I hope you guys are able to hear me clearly, and this is a mind-blowing session. Let me see some chats coming in. Cool. Let Ida create the website. I'm not doing anything right now. I'm just watching what Ida is doing. Let me close the ads. That's all I can do. Please wait. Okay, it's asking me to wait. Ida is doing all the design. It's my design, artificial intelligence website designer, right? So it's creating amazing websites. Cool. You don't have to drag and drop. You don't have to do any kind of, what do you call it? Designing, layout, nothing. So it will do all the designing and layout for you. And all you have to do is, change the content. Let's preview the website. It's created in less than 30 seconds or less. I'm previewing the Ida website. Cool, it's pretty good, right? So I can it's much better than Unbounce or Lander, I would say. These are products I use typically, which takes time to drag and drop and all this stuff. So I can go back and edit the content, which will take me like less than 1 hour to edit the content. The content is ready in a Word file. I can do that. Otherwise, I can use AI to even create the content. I will come to that. So let me just go back, and if I want to edit something now, if I want to put a video, just give me a minute. So I can just edit this like this about FirstLook. It's very easy, and it's the fastest website creator ever. So I can just edit whatever I want, and then I can add modules. For example, I want to add a video, I can do that. I want to add, say a pop-up, I can do all this stuff. I can add a PayPal button also for, say the currency stuff, like kind of, say you get people will be able to buy your products through PayPal. Stripe integration is not possible, but we can use Stripe Atlas. That's also pretty cool. So I hope you enjoyed the design layouting creation in less than 30 seconds. Suppose you feel that Ida has not done your design properly, you can just choose a style. You can choose a style of your design, so everything is like very fast. So if you feel that, and you want an entire, say you want to change an entire layout of this stuff, you can go back. So I think this is a button, right? No, that's not a button. Let me go back. I think there will be a button over here that says yeah, give me 1 sec. So I'll figure out that Ida, that special button that we're looking for. Yes, save and continue. Yeah, so I want to create maybe a website again in 30 seconds. I can get one more layout. That's how it works. So I can create one more website over here. If I want to do the same website in a different layout, I can do the same thing, and it'll create one more website in a different field altogether. So first time we did it properly. Let's do it once again the same way. FirstLook AI, and it'll give me one more design. That's how it's going to work. Now next, this time I wanted an e-commerce, but it's fine. We're just quickly creating websites. Create a website. Okay. Now it'll give me one more design. It's going to give me one more design. Let's see. Let's look and watch this artificial intelligence bot. And by the time this loads, we can go head over to get websiting. Okay. Anyways, it will give me one more design. You see the design has changed now completely. So let me. Ida is going cool. Okay, fine. It's doing all this stuff. I'm not doing anything. It's going to do all this stuff on its own. Okay. It's going to do all the stuff on its own. Cool. Tool name is Ida. Sync is asking me of the tool name. It's Ida, and it is bookmark.com. 30-second website creator. Like this. Now I just showed you some sample technology for website creation. We have the same technology for games, apps, and games like Call of Duty can be created in a day, and apps like Ola, apps like Uber, apps like Grofers, apps like Swiggy can be created with the same technology, but that's a different tool altogether. So our company is built entirely using, it's running entirely on AI services and AI training only. So all this it's doing by itself. I'm not doing anything again. It's saved. Let me preview the website. Now this looks cool because it has a video background, right? Let's see how it works. Pretty cool, I think. Let me 1 second. Give a minute. I have to. Yeah, this is a website which Ida created. This looks cool than the earlier one. Pretty good. So I can go to services. I can head over. It's all created all the pages. Cool. Looks good. You can edit whatever you want once it's their layout is done. It'll look like kind of an international website, and all you need is just 30 seconds. And then you can edit whatever you want. It's beyond Weebly, beyond Wix, beyond Shopify, beyond whatever you can think of. It's pretty good. Cool. That's about that's about Ida. And there's something called Get Webs, which I'll show you that also. It's through a chatbot you create amazing websites. So I have Get Webs here. Okay, and then you just have to talk to a chatbot to create a website. So let me show you that. Okay, I'll do a try for free. Okay, cool. Now GetWebs is asking me about what kind of website I should be creating. Cool. It's going to ask me some questions. Okay, I'll change my mind, don't worry. So just a website, I don't want an online store here. Okay, cool. Would you like to talk a bit about yourself? Yes, I would like that. Okay, cool. Would you like to show a gallery? Yes, I think so. I want a gallery. Okay. Is your product already known to people? No, yes, it needs explaining. Okay, good. Would you like to show me a website? You would show your team on your website? Yes, I would definitely would. I would show my team. Do you have happy customers? Yes, I want to show testimonials coming up. And then, would you like to save your progress? Okay, fine. I'll do my email. Okay, I can so that I can save the progress. Fine, save it. Okay, what else? What else? What is coming up? How do you like to show the pricing? No price at the moment. I'm not selling anything right now. We're almost done. Okay, should I show client testimonials? Yes, I would like to. And then would you like to show video? Yes, definitely. Videos are amazing, skyrocketing, mind blowing. Show your location on your map? Yes, I would. Obviously, I would show my location. And I think, do you have a store? No, I don't really. I don't have a store. Okay. Would you like to have a contact form? Definitely like a contact form. Okay, last step. Okay, now the design begins. So this is just a process of how website would be created using a chatbot, just talking to a chatbot. Collect your client's information like emails. Yes, definitely. Obviously, I need emails. You shoot out 1 million mails a day, right? So typically it's going to be amazing. So cool. Choose a color that. Okay, I will choose this. Let's see what happens now. Website will be colorful or subtle? Subtle. Let's look at a subtle one. Pretty cool. Dark or white, I like lighter websites. So let's roll. Your website is ready. Okay, go to edit. This is our website. Cool, I can edit whatever I want now. So the website is created less than I think 2 minutes or 1 minute. Let's see, this is our website. You can edit whatever you want. It looks pretty cool, right? So this is the power of AI for just website creation. Imagine if you could use the same technology for games, for movies. We create 3D movies at the speed of light. I'll show you Mash Me after this demo of Mash Me coming up. So this is how the website will be created. I hope you enjoyed only the website creation session. Yeah, tool for creating Ola app. Right now it's a little confidential, but it works a similar way because we are doing it for clients, but definitely in our training courses and in our company we'll be able to guide you on to the tool for creating a Ola app similar style. So not only Ola apps, you can create whatever you want. The power of artificial intelligence is extreme. Let me show you Mash Me and you'll be like, wow, wow, wow. Let me show you Mash Me. Mash Me is a product where just with your webcam, right? You're able to, let me play you the video. I don't know whether video plays through the webcam. No, whether you're able to see it, sorry. Let's see, this is a website called as Mash Me. Now, whatever she is doing just to a webcam, right? So the character will do it. So that is the power of Mash Me. You don't need a kind of a motion sensor. You don't need anything. This is the utmost thing. They'll say like millions of dollars for 3D companies, and you can do something like Pixar. You can do something like say the quality of say Pixar, the quality of DreamWorks. You're able to bring it just to a webcam. That is the power of artificial intelligence. That is what I stress on it. So Mash Me will change the world. Let us see for one more minute what is this about. It's going to change the world. All you need is a webcam and a pinch of creativity. I've had this like 1,000 times. I've showed it to thousands of clients. Walt Disney. And you can even dance if you want. With just a Kinect camera, you can do wonders. So that's about Mash Me. I just gave you an example. Even 5 people can do it. Even 5 people can do it. That's a super move. What is she doing now is a super move. Cool. That's about Match Me. Just give me a minute. Just checking the chat whether something is coming in. Not yet. Okay, just give me a minute. Let me go to. Yeah, nothing is coming in. No questions still. Cool. That was about Match Me. And then we have drag and drop app creation software. Let me tell you about bubble.js, and it's not bubble. I'll tell you, it's bubble.js. Sorry, bubble.is. I get pretty confused because the 2000 tools over there, using 2000 tools is like a lot. So give me a minute. Because I typically teach my 47,000 plus students on Udemy the same things. So bubble.is is a visual programming, so you can able to create software and app just by point and clicking. It's pretty cool, right? So all you have to do is you don't need to code, you don't need to do anything. All you have to do is it'll be like drag and drop. How you create a website using Weebly, Wix, or say Shopify, it's the same thing. It's not like WordPress, so all you have to do is there's no coding involved and everything is amazing. So you can just drag and drop something and put it over here and assign the presets, and your what do you call, your app or a software is ready. So this is just a sample ABC of artificial intelligence tool which help you to create amazing stuff like this. Let me show an example of apps. So all this stuff you see, this all this is created using bubble.is or JS or whatever it is. Yeah, it's IS, fine. So bubble.is, all these complicated programs can be just created using a drag and drop mechanism. Coders will love it, and you don't need to know write a single piece of code. That is what is the difference here. So give me a minute. So you can amazing stuff can be created. So that's going to be bubble.is. Cool. That's still loading, so let it load this for a little bit. So this is a coffee searcher kind of an app that is created, so it'll know your location and then you can find out the nearby coffee shops or something like that. Cool. So, and then we can create state-of-the-art animation films also through digital marketing and artificial intelligence. As promo videos are like, you don't have to give away a kind of let me show you one of the videos which one of my students created. It's called Call of Army, and he's created an amazing stuff. So let me show you something. Give me a minute. So you can create mind-blowing VFX. I think it's, give me a minute. So it's Call of Army. Okay, otherwise let me show you some things which I created. Okay, and before I show you this, I'll have to tell you one little thing about SEO. So typically I'm in google.com, right? And through growth hacking, what are the results possible? Suppose I type in, say, not this. If I type in Udemy and I type in ARIT. Okay, you see the second result that comes over here, right? Udemy Artificial Intelligence Video Creation. That's my courses, and Google itself is recommending my course now through the power of SEO, right? So we have to use a lot of growth hacking mechanisms for Udemy to, suggest this course in relevant search results. So typically, all I have to do is use a lot of growth hacking mechanisms in order for this to happen. We also use something called as TubeBuddy. So it's not Body, it's Buddy. TubeBuddy is an amazing tool for a YouTube channel management toolkit. Now, what TubeBuddy does, I'll tell you, and then we'll move on to bookmark. I already told you about. So, what is TubeBuddy about? TubeBuddy is about knowing anybody's YouTube revenue, hunting down their keywords. This is kind of an amazing growth hacking strategy. So now, suppose I'm in YouTube. And I want to find out the revenue of what say some marketer, maybe Neil Patel. Example, it'll just give me like estimate revenue. Example, okay, maybe I want to find out the revenue of how much this video did. Example, give me a minute, it's loading a little bit, take some time to load. It's hanged, just give me 1 second. Okay, I can pick any video also, so maybe I'm picking this. Let's not take name of brand, so let me pick this. Okay, fine, I picked this, right? So typically when I install the extension called as TubeBuddy, right, there's something called as a loading screen over here. So I'm able to find out this video has earned like an estimate earning of $100, and I'm able to find out all the keywords to extract from here. I can just click on show search rankings and extract all their keywords. I can just copy to copy all and copy to clipboard. I have all the keywords over here. Which keyword is doing well, I'll be able to find out. Do a research through, say AdWords, keyword planner, whatever. I were to find the keywords, and then I can do the research through a keyword display planner. So this is amazing. So to find out the revenue, estimated earnings, and also the tags, the keywords that they're using, it's pretty amazing feature. Do you have any okay, I hope there are any questions coming in. Okay, small FB videos for promotion. Okay, cool. We use Render Forest. It's pretty good. What is the difference between Weebly, WordPress, or other made sites like IDA? Okay, fine. To identify the keyword, give me a minute. Let's take this one by one. What is the difference between Weebly, WordPress, and other ready-made sites and IDA? IDA helps you to create a website. If you helps you to create a website in the fastest time possible. So Weebly and WordPress have a lot of functionalities, and it's very expensive. So when it comes to WordPress is like kind of a CMS. Weebly is again when you create a website with Weebly, you can also have access to a lot of apps inside Weebly, right? So if for pretty much say high-end website, you can use Weebly, and WordPress is much more customizable. IDA will help you to create kind of a business website, very fast website created in less than an hour. You can use that. Okay, Render Forest we use. Okay, fine. Is there a software to identify the keyword search which are more than 10 phrases? To identify the keyword search which are more than 10 phrases. Okay, yes, we use Video Marketing Blaster. It's VMB. We use VMB, which is Video Marketing Blaster. So typically, if you have to rank a YouTube video in 5 minutes in Google, we'll be using Video Marketing Blaster. Now, for example, let me show you the result here. Let me show you the result of how the video will rank. If I'm in Growth Hacking Google Plus, okay, I just type in the same thing over here, and I'm going to go to videos. Cool. I know that my video will rank number 1 wherever you type in the world. This is my video in Growth Hacking. This is my channel also. Out of 61,700 results, I'm ranking the top. And why is that? Because of all the TubeBuddy and all these mechanisms used using Video Marketing Blaster, I can rank. Video Marketing Blaster is the ultimate software that can rank any YouTube video on Google and YouTube also in less than 5 minutes. That is the software and how it does. So you can check it out. I'll tell you what tools we are using is amazing. So it's Video Marketing Blaster. This is the one. It's videomarketingblaster.com. You can check out their website. I'm not an affiliate for any of these tools. I use these tools to bring results. Yeah. Any other questions you have over there? VMB, it's pretty good. Just less than 5 minutes. All my students have experienced it. In less than 5 minutes, you can rank a video. Call of Army teaser. I'm not able to find it. If you can send me the link, Kiran, I'll be able to show. Kiran is one of my students. Yeah. Is Wix better or WordPress? I recommend Weebly. Weebly is pretty good, and because using Weebly you can even create apps. So our website was built using Weebly in less than half an hour. So our website is FirstLookAI.com. It is built less than half an hour using Weebly, which takes a long time to code if you are into WordPress, or if you have a theme in WordPress also, it takes time because say all the sliders and all you'll have to fix. It takes time, guys. Growth hacking in pharma industry. Okay, what exactly are you looking for? Okay, fine, I'll tell you. Growth hacking in pharma industry. You want to find out, okay, tell me your target audience, Monisha. I'll be able to tell you how to get 1 million emails of your target audience, target niche in the world. You want to know the tool for ranking blog posts, the long tail keywords, AdWords can get 7 words, yeah, keywordtool.io. We use keywordtool.io. You can check it out. Okay, and yeah, SEMrush 10 words max. Okay, fine. Ranking blog posts, right? Okay, fine. You can also use I forgot the name of the tool. Let me get it. Give me a minute. The SEO tool. It's a live SEO tool. I forgot the name of the tool. I just got it in for because there's 2,000 tools out there which I've used. I think give me a minute. It's something starts with web, which was we are using it previously. Web SEO. It's live SEO. It does web SEO. Let me get the name of the tool. So what it does is something similar to Yoast. It's something similar to Yoast, but it does live SEO optimization. Pretty good tool. Yeah, it's web text tool. I got it. It's web text tool. You can Google. Yeah, it's I think the 1,000th tool or something which I've used. Web text tool. That's the name of the tool. So it's able to high quality SEO. You can rank any website in the world in the top of Google search, and it'll help you in live SEO for your pages and brand and yeah, this is a tool. Okay, web text tool, pretty good. You can rank, boost your content. I'm no affiliate for this tool, but it's pretty good because I've ranked using web text tool, and it's a pretty good thing. So all you have to do is input all the pages into it. Yeah, you're asking for the doctor one, no? Yeah, cool. clothing pharma and hospital, doctor and brand awareness. We use any leads. Let me show you any leads. Use any leads for unlimited leads. So let me show you doctors, how to find doctors live on the spot. So we are here inside any leads, and we close all the other windows, otherwise it's not going to work. So give me a minute, let me log in. So let me log in. 1 second. Yeah, doctors finding out. Yeah, cool. To create brand awareness. Let me log in. Give me 1 second, so that I can show you what is happening. So this is like extracting 1 million emailers in whatever in 1 hour. Let me show you that. It's kind of growth hacking stuff, methodologies redefined. I hope you're enjoying this session a lot. There's no PPT presentation. It's all lights, camera, action. So all you have to do is find leads here. You see the find leads over there, and go to leads miner. Give me a minute. Head over to leads miner, and all you have to do is find a country. You want to target India or something, just give India. If you want to target US, give US, and all you do is remove the city targeting here. So if you want to target city, it's fine. If you want to target only Bangalore, it's fine. Otherwise Chennai, it's fine. Mumbai is fine. I'll give Mumbai, or I can leave it blank also. Anything is fine. And then I can give a minute. This chat thing is coming up. I'll have to close this and give enter next, and remove all the stuff and give doctors here. Yeah, I'll give doctor. Cool. And next, and all you have to do is name your report doctors India. Run. It'll keep on running, and it's going to find all the emails on the spot. And then you can use SMTP server, and which is like supports unlimited mails, and you can reach out to every one of them. Yeah, cool. Doctor and brand awareness fine. Monisha, so she's giving an email address. So I'm here. That's still running the report, but how will a finished report look like? Let me show you a finished report, how it looks like. A finished report will look like this. This is for student India, but that is still loading. But let me show you the finished report for how it looks. Suppose I can save a lead here. I can get their email address, personal mail, business mail, name it. I'll get everything in the planet. So that's about. So this will take time to. I think it'll take like a day, or it can take even up to 1 hour or 5 minutes, whatever it is. It'll find out all the doctors in India and give me the email address. Cool. That's about Monisha's question. How reliable are any leads? It's pretty good. It's pretty good. We have been using it, and if we are reaching out to a lot of contacts, that's how I got my 45,000 plus students on Udemy. And you can connect any sender. So if I'm in emails, I can connect any sender. I can go ahead and connect any sender that I want. I can go to US senders, connect a sender, and I can connect Gmail. I can connect SMTP. I can even connect Mailchimp, Mandel, SendGrid, SparkPost. Whatever it is. Mailgun is also a pretty email sending good software. SendGrid we use is pretty good. So SMTP server, if it's like unlimited servers, it'll go directly to inbox, and no promotions, nothing. It's not going to any promotions as spam. That's the power of any leads. Yes, call up army teaser. Okay, he has given the teaser. Kiran, you have given me the edit video. Can you give me the URL of the video? Kiran, I need URL of your video. Outlook versus Mailchimp. Okay, Outlook versus Mailchimp. Outlook, again, I would recommend you to okay, cool. I would recommend you to not use Mailchimp still. I would recommend you to use SendGrid, because Mailchimp, according to us, was a little expensive. Differs in opinion. But we use SendGrid. You can, or Mailgun is pretty good because it allows 10,000 mails. So and then you can, according to us, I'm talking about my opinion. After using a hell lot of, I think, benchmark email, use a lot of guerrilla mail, marketing software. We used, some software called as, benchmark email. We used Aweber, but I would recommend Mailgun because it's 10,000 emails free per month, and you can send out pretty good, and you can also upgrade your pricing and whatever it is, checking out their pricing. You want to send how many mails you want to send, say mails like this. It'll tell you the monthly volume that you'll have to invest on sending next 500,000 mails or $45 or something like that. Cool. And then you connect this Mailgun to any leads and get all the leads and blast out the email campaigns. That's working quite well for us. Yes. Okay. Any other questions, guys? Because this is I hope you're enjoying the session. Okay. So this is going to be a one-of-a-kind session, because AI in digital marketing, I'm talking about 2022 technologies on the spot. Yes, I got a video. So this is a kind of thing that as my students create. Let me show you a video, which kind of a promo video, which my students have created. So this is created by Kiran. It's an amazing, say it'll give you the feel of going to a different planet. Guys, it's not War of the Worlds. It's my student. This is a kind of things that can be created using AI tools. Welcome to your new future. Welcome to AI. Welcome to AI powered digital marketing future. I got a tagline wrong in the first place. That's the speed of light, I think. This is the kind of Hollywood level teasers that you can create with AI tools. Simple as that. And imagine if you can create one for your company promo and market it, blast it out across YouTube, Facebook, say AdWords. It's going to create a difference in the minds because you're able to minds of your audience because you're able to pinpoint them, target them, and you're able to reach out to a lot of people. There's a kind of teasers that you'll be able to create. And that's kind of a game. This is just a trailer for this game. So typically, I hope you enjoyed this. The kind of things that can be created. Okay. Any leads work for real estate business for okay, we're doing one for different clients. Yes, it does. It does work. So if some property is more than certain amount for some property, yes, it does work. For example, you're able to find out say behavioral targeting. That is what, right? So typically, if you're able to find out the income of people, say a particular income stream, right? You'll be able to figure it out. Last thing that I wanted to mention before that is build with. For example, you want to find out, say name any website, okay? Name any website in the world, and I will, for example, you are to growth hack the technologies, right? This is the last thing I can show you today. So if it is like digital marketing company, if I just type it on, and I find something, okay? I find maybe brandstory.in, okay? This thing I forgot to show you, so I take this brand story and I go back to this and find out what technologies are is the website's built with. Typically, I'll be able to find out it's a GoDaddy server, it's SPF, whatever it is. They use Elastic Mail for their mail campaigns, and they use WordPress, and it's a PHP framework and DoubleClick. Obviously, they're using for enterprise level, say reaching out to publishers and all this stuff. And I'm able to find out all the technology. They're using Yoast. They're using WordFence, they're using Theme Punch for the custom plugin theme, they're using Visual Composer in WordPress, and Pop-Up Maker, they're obviously using Real Simple Discovery, they're doing a lot of things, right? So through this, we're able to find out what technologies that a website is using, and through that you'll be able to calculate a lot. Now once I find out this, I head over to SimilarWeb, right, and find out their analytics, like for example how much traffic is coming to their website, and what mediums, what sources it's coming. Suppose I go here and type in say the same brandstory.in and I search, I can find out. Now I can recommend brand story saying that the traffic is this much. Now the source is maybe say search. So source is search. That means the SEO is working out well, the organic search. Direct traffic is coming out good, but the social and main campaigns are not doing well. So we can suggest them saying that they can increase their social media presence, they can skyrocket their mail campaigns to any leads or whatever it is, and their display campaigns they're not doing anyways. But they can still work on that. So referral traffic is working out good. We need more backlinks. So that is how we can refer to that. What are the keywords? You'll be able to find out over here. And out of 14 keywords, it's like 100% organic. These are the keywords, and this is direct traffic, brand story, and find out what are the social media channels that their traffic is doing well. Quora is one platform, and LinkedIn is second. So all this you're able to find out. Their interest not enough data, but you're able to find out a hell lot of things just through SimilarWeb. And BuildWith told you what technology they're using. SimilarWeb told you what is their traffic on, and Mode at the last will tell you about what ad campaigns they're doing live. Okay, one second, I'll just check which questions. Okay, yeah, that's what website is this? That's BuildWith and SimilarWeb for you. SimilarWeb. Okay, and I want to show you Mode now. For example, you want to find out brand story, right? Brand story. Let's find out brandstory.in. Is there any kind of if there are no results, they're not doing any campaigns. Display campaigns they're not doing, no, obviously. But you'll be able to find out if I type in Sony, example, Amazon or Sony or whatever it is, I'll be able to find out their ad campaigns on the spot. I've typed in Sony. These are the ad campaigns of Sony. Okay, I'm finding out their ad campaigns. Cool, I can figure out what ad they're doing. If I'm Samsung, I know now what to do. So I can, if, for example, they're doing something like bio this ad, I know what I can do. I can innovate on my own and create ads. Samsung Marketing Manager, I can do a lot of things. So that's about finding out the ad campaigns. Built with is about finding out the technologies. Similar web was about finding out the reports. Okay, so built with a similar web and Moat also. Moat obviously to find out what display campaigns, what are the ads that they're doing. That's what you need. Amazon has own tools which can use as digital marketer, which all we can use as digital. Yeah, you're talking about AWS. AWS. Amazon has its own tool which all can we use. AWS, which was recently this one came up, the launches and all of the different tools. How to rank a very competitive keywords in short period of time. You'll have to first of all go through the entire SEO process of key. For example, how it ranks. Number one is I have the cheat sheet over here. Yeah, the keyword planner. Yeah, cool. I'll tell you the cheat sheet for the Google algorithm cheat sheet of 2017 and 18. Whatever Panda Penguin, whatever it is going to be about. Here's the algorithm. The first one which I'll show you live a brand story, then I'll tell you how it works. Now I'm in brand story. I'll show you how to hack this. So I'm in brand story, right? So I have to copy this website URL and head over to, give me a minute. I have to go to, forgot the name of that tool, give me a minute. So I'll have to go to SEO keyword, which tells the density, right? Give me a minute, I'll tell you. Keyword density checker, give me a minute, it'll take some time. Keyword density checker. And then I'm able to find out how this, I think it's not a small SEO tool, it's not SEO chat. Okay, SEO chat I can show you, but I wanted a more, okay, I forgot the name of the tool, but anyways, I have it written in my Evernote. Let me move on to small SEO tools now. And all I have to do is paste this URL over here and find out what keywords they are ranked for right now. So if I click on check, you'll find out the density. Give me a minute, let it load. Click on check. So now using this, you'll be able to figure out, give me 1 second, popping up a lot of ads. Start new search. Give me 1 sec, it's loading still. So now I'll be able to find out, otherwise I can pick one more keyword checker. This is a little slow. So what this does is you'll be able to find out what are the keywords that you should be using. Just a second, I can show you live. I had to show you this live. This brand, yeah, I got it right. Cool. Results are there. Now you'll be able to find out what are the keyword count over here. So category of company X, select your category of up details, digital marketing. This is the count and the density of the keywords. Okay. So I think SEO chat would have been a better option because it tells me about the actual keywords, because this is giving a 2 or 4 terms keyword. So I'll have to change that to, give me 1 second. It's giving a 4 term keyword. So let me make it 2 words. Otherwise, start new search again. Okay, let's put brand story .in, or I can just copy this thing. 2 words is fine. And now click on start new search. 1 second, give me a minute. Any more questions coming up? Yeah, no, not yet. Okay, give me 1 second. All I have to do is, yeah, it's a little slow. So is it working? No, I'll have to put this URL. I think where will go now. I'll come over here. Start new search. Okay, I'll find an alternate. Otherwise, so chat keyword density. Give me a minute. I can use SEO chat otherwise. Okay. If this doesn't seem to work, because earlier it was something called as tools.seo book, and then what they did was they just made it a paid tool or something like that. So let me use SEO chat now. It will take time because it has to analyze the keyword phrases. What I'm saying is, all you do is in your website, you'll have to, yeah, I got it. Marketing digital Bangalore company development. Now, just see this. This is brandstory.in, right? So these are the words. Now, all I have to do is type this like this in the same order to find out whether it's working. So if I'm here, and first of all, I have to go to Google, and I think I have 100 results. So let me see. Give me a minute. Let me go back. Give me 1 second. So I'll have to go to google.com, google.co.in. I'm here, and I have to just change this search settings to 100. Now I'm here changing it to 100. Pretty cool. It's already 100. So I go back to google.co.in again. Okay. So go back to google.co.in, and all I have to do is type the same thing here. Marketing digital Bangalore company development. Let's see whether it works. Marketing digital. What is that? Bangalore company development design. Okay, Bangalore company development design. This technique may not work for more this, but you see brand story would come up here. You saw the thing. This technique will work for some this one, but may not work for all. So brand story, you see this is over here in the first for these keywords that are ranking. So what is this? What does this mean? This means that the volume is important. So marketing is like 41 times it's repeated, digital is 27 times repeated in the website, Bangalore is 20 times, company is 15 times, development is 14 times. That means if you can repeat this as 80 count, double the count, digital as to 30 60, and something somewhere around 20 as 40 and 15 as 30, this will help you to rank better. But also you should have backlinks and also Alexa rank and traffic also. I hope you got the concept. Anybody has any questions about this concept? Because this is a concept used in keyword count and density that can change the difference. I just showed a live proof of how you can take anybody's URL. No, that is not keyword stuffing. So keyword stuffing, it doesn't count as that. Keyword stuffing, you don't have to stuff it because it comes in black hat. So you have to use it very intelligently. For example, let me take an example of brand story. We are the best digital marketing company in Bangalore. Our digital marketing company is focused on something. I just wrote 2 sentences using that. I haven't stuffed any keywords, but what I'm doing is I'm just making it a flow kind of sentence. I'm just making the sentence flow as if that I make sure that words are repeated, but at the same time I'm not doing stuffing, but I'm doing using the same words in a ordered manner. Okay, that's about taking anything to the next level. Any website to the next level, and you see the rankings skyrocket in less than a week. But for that, you will have to go to Webmaster Tools, and also you have to do this stuff. Then it works. So you have to go to once all this, all the keywords are put in your website in a logical manner. Head over to this Coffee Lady Webmaster Tools, sign in here, and now I'll tell you what to do. Head over to your console, and if I'm in FirstLook, I go here, and I have to go to Google Index. Crawl fetches Google. Okay, and all I have to do is fetch and render it for desktop. Okay, and fetch and render it for mobile. That means you make Google crawl, make Google work faster. So I'm doing for desktop and mobile phones, and once it's done, I can request indexing from here, and then all you'll be immediately to crawl, and you'll be able to see a lot of things happening. You'll maybe depending on the keyword count and Alexa rank and backlinks and a lot of referral links, you'll be able to see your website to the top of Google search depending on the targeted keywords and long tail or not. That depends on a lot of things. I hope you understood this concept about taking any website to the top of Google search with just your keywords and Alexa rank and backlinks and traffic. So I hope you enjoyed my session. Anywhere I don't know that I can, they'll have the website is firstlook.com.
Thank you very much, Mr. Srinidhi Ranganathan.